Hi everyone. So today we're going to draw a penguin wearing a hat. So we're going to start with the head. So just going to draw a curved line on this side and then another curved line on the other side. And then we're going to do the body. So we're going to come down around like that. And then the other side, do the same thing. We're going to stop about right here and we're going to add the feet. So just a little half circle and then little toes, and then one on the other side like that, and then just join it in the middle. Then we're going to give our penguin some wings, so just come out from where the head meets the body, and then on the other side just like that. And we're gonna give our penguin a hat, so we're gonna kind of give him like a winter hat, because penguins like to spend a lot of time in, well, penguins are found in the cold, so. And then just like this, and then just come up like that, and we'll add a little pom-pom at the end. All right, so next we're gonna do the pattern that the penguins have. They have like a kind of like a pattern on their face, like a black and white. So it's kind of like a heart shape, just like that. And then we're going to continue that down on the body, down to the foot, like that. So like that. And then we'll just draw a little line there in between the legs, or the feet. All right, and next we're going to do the beak. So just draw kind of like a sideways diamond, like that. And then this little line in between. And then we're going to give this penguin some nice big eyes. So add 2 circles there, and then we'll do the pupils in the middle. All right, just like that. Okay. So next we're gonna go ahead and use our black marker and outline our penguin. I'm just gonna start here at the hat. All right, and I'll do the head. I'll just come down and do the wings. The body. Your little feet. And I'll do this little outline of the pattern on the penguin. A little heart shape. All right, and the beak. And then our eyes. Just be very careful doing the eyes. And then our pupils in the middle. We'll just color the pupils in black, and I usually just leave like a little a white spot right there, a little shine in his eye. All right, just like that. All right, and then we'll come in and use our eraser, erase all those lines before we color. All right, so part of the penguin's gonna be black, so we're just gonna use our black marker again, and then color in the wings will be black. And then also this outside of the body is going to be black too. Other wing. And the rest of the body. Part in between the feet. And then our other side. And then we're gonna color we'll color the beak. We'll use this orange for the beak. And then also for the feet, we'll use that same color. All right, and then the hat, I'm gonna use this nice light blue color. You can use any color that you like. It's a nice snowy kind of color, like a wintry blue. All right, and I'm just gonna leave the eyes as they are, and that's how you draw a penguin with a hat. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to see more videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching.